Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna talk about a really interesting tool called Anonsurf. Now the name sounds like a secret hacker surfing on the internet web, but it is actually a privacy tool that help you stay anonymous online. And trust me, it is way cooler than it is sound. So we can launch it using the GUI or terminal. So here I am launching it using GUI. You can see some details for this tool, and let's start the Anonsurf and let's type the password, and you can see the Anonsurf is activated. Now we have my IP details, so my IP is under Tor network, you can see, and also we have Tor status. So here is a terminal that provide all the details related to Tor. So you can the CPU consumption and memory consumption, the PID, uptime detail, bandwidth for the upload and download. So looks cool, right? So think of it like an invisibility clock for your internet, and when you switch it on, your real IP address gets hidden and your traffic goes through the Tor network. So let's enable the boot. So when you enable the boot, uh, so it is the Tor will be started when your system boot up. So that means if you are sitting in home in Mumbai, Delhi or Bangalore, the site might think you are coming from Germany, Japan, or even somewhere random across the world. So basically you are a ghost on the internet. So let's open the terminal and launch the Anonsurf from here. So we have some commands and options. Let's see what options we have. So type Anonsurf and you can see the little detail about the Anonsurf. Developed by, extended by, maintained by, and a huge amount of caffeine, Mountain Dew, and the GNU and GPL version 3 stuffs. So this is how we can use Anonsurf. We can use the Anonsurf, and we have some switches like options. So the help option is start, stop, change ID, status, my IP, status boot, enable boot, and disable boot. So we are gonna practice these commands. Let's type in Anonsurf and then start. The best part, guys, it is super easy. You don't be a hardcore hacker or a Linux master. So you can see the Anonsurf is activated and your traffic goes through Tor network. Let's change the ID. So you have a new identity from Tor. And let's check the status of the Tor. So the same terminal that we saw earlier, the bandwidth, PID, CPU, memory, download, upload speed, etc. So here is the status. We are seeing the Tor status. It is connected through control port. Tor seems okay, and using Tor DNS. Let's use the Anonsurf my IP. So it is going to provide the my current IP address. So this is my current IP address, the Tor IP. So let's go to the browser and check what we can see with this IP address. So IP locator, look up ip.net. Let's look up the IP. Click on the lookup and go little down and you will see the technical detail. Yep, so technical details. So this is the IP address is public IPv4, and this is my reverse DNS, and the host name. So host name, you can see the Berlin. And let's try changing the IP once again, and I have a new IP from Tor, and let's copy that IP. Type my IP and copy that IP 185.220.100.1.12. And let's go to the IP lookup. And here we have the technical details, and you can see the host name is from Berlin, so the Tor is connected through Berlin. And this is how we can change our IP address and stay anonymous. So if you're in India and if you want to change your location and go to anonymous mode, so you can just use the Anonsurf. And see the boot status. So Anonsurf boot is disabled and your connection is not under Tor network. So let's enable the boot. So whenever your system will boot, this anon feature will enabled. So you can see guys, your traffic is under the Tor network when system starts. Cool, right? But don't get overconfident. If you open Facebook and log in with your real name, Mark Zuckerberg is still gonna know it is you. So Anonsurf doesn't make you invisible to your friends. It is just hide you from the trackers, ads, and Snoopy ISPs.